And shifting focus to another yet important story, it is a NewsX impact. The loot in Mumbai's Lilavati hospital rocked the proceedings in the Maharashtra Assembly today. The opposition BJP charged the government with hushing up the fact that the hospital trustees were involved in money laundering. The government has ordered a probe into the scam that the opposition said was over 300 crore rupees. Remember that it was NewsX that exposed the multi-crore scam at the hospital last week.
अध्यक्ष जी ने इसका सीरियस कॉग्निजेंस लिया और अध्यक्ष जी ने कहा कि ये विषय सीरियस है, इसकी इंक्वायरी की जानी चाहिए और माननीय उप मुख्यमंत्री को उन्होंने निर्देश दिया। माननीय उप मुख्यमंत्री ने आज ये अनाउंसमेंट की है कि ये मसला गंभीर होने के कारण हमारे सभागृह की समिति उसकी इंक्वायरी करेगी और समिति का उन्होंने ऐलान किया।
Now let's take a look at the NewsX exclusive on how key people were milking the Lilavati Trust. These were details that were revealed for the first time, and the Speaker took note of it today to order the probe.
This is a key report filed by retired Bombay High Court Judge Justice A.A. Halbe. He was appointed by the Supreme Court to the Lilavati Trust Board. This report charges 4 trustees and their cronies of siphoning off at least 500 crore rupees out of the Lilavati Trust. Justice Halbe's report accuses this man, Dushyant M. Mehta, of milking Lilavati in cahoots with corrupt trustees.
Well, according to the Justice Halbe report, Dushyant Mehta, who was not a member of the trust running Lilavati, colluded with some corrupt trustees to effectively become its CEO. The report says the trust is not prepared to disown him. That's Dushyant Mehta, although he has no official status in the hospital. Of course, the report also says he presents himself as the executive, but he doesn't have formal connection with the hospital, unquote.
This here is the contract between Lilavati and the pharmacy on its premises, Empire Chemists. Dushyant Mehta owns Empire and got Lilavati's tainted trustees to effectively outsource the entire running of the hospital to his pharmacy.
Take a look at this. The contract gives Dushyant Mehta's Empire Chemists the right to supervise all Lilavati staff and operational control and day-to-day management of the hospital. Empire Chemists, in fact, were even in charge of maintaining Lilavati Hospital's public image. Dushyant Mehta is widely seen as a stooge of 4 trustees on Lilavati's board: Prabodh Mehta, Rashmi Mehta, Chetan and Bhavin Mehta. Their other lieutenants are allegedly Vijay Choradia, who has allegedly dubious Hawala links, and Nanik Rupani, who has allegedly conspired with them. When NewsX contacted them and their press agency, they denied the allegations. But here for the first time we reveal how Justice Halbe's report charges the trustees with milking Lilavati. The funds of Lilavati Hospital were siphoned off by acquiring flats for themselves. Money was spent on foreign jaunts and shopping excursions to top department stores across the globe. Through what Halbe chronicles as a series of overpriced, opaque and untendered contracts with dubious pharma companies and corrupt suppliers. Justice A.A. Halbe's neutrality on the board was challenged. He was criticized by the court for bias and overstepping his authority, and later removed from his post, something that he is now challenging in the Supreme Court.
It is clear there is a serious scam in Lilavati Hospital which needs to be acted upon. A number of banks have frozen the accounts of the Lilavati Charitable Medical Trust given the charges its trustees are making against each other.
But so far, the Maharashtra government has done little to clean up the mess. Sources tell NewsX this is partly because Lilavati's tainted trustees have given several powerful Maharashtra politicians free medical care and other sweeteners. The hospital's books show it gave a whopping 40 crore worth of free medical treatment to certain individuals, reportedly most of them top politicians. Bureau Report, NewsX.
Well, it is a NewsX exclusive. We brought the story first out in the open, resulting in a ruckus in the Maharashtra Assembly.